Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, core faculty for the College of Health Sciences and Public Policy of Walden University. And in this segment, I'll be going over risk factor number 13. Risk factor number 13 out of 14 is serious threats to those protected under international humanitarian law. So conflict-related conduct that seriously threatens the life is especially important. Number 13.1 is fragmentation of parties to the conflict of disintegration or absence of chains of command within them. So this is something that causes and brings about instability. 13.2 mistrust between opposing parties based on past or present breaches. Number 13.3 increased radicalization or extremism. 13.4 promotion of ethnicity or religion as a determinant of national allegiance or allegiance to a party. 13.5 conduct that dehumanizes the enemy or particular groups within the population, or that exhibits disrespect for the religion, ethnic or cultural tradition, moral values, objectives, or institutions. 13.6 adoption of measures that severely curtail the rights of those protected under humanitarian law. 13.7 evidence of plans or discourse which reveals a threat or incitement to violence. 13.8 is evidence of conduct interfering with or impeding delivery or access to supplies, facilities, equipment, objects, or medical or humanitarian support. 13.9 evidence of preparation of personnel and logistics enabling transportation, movement, or confinement of large numbers of people. Again, Cambodia's Pol Pot regime reminds me of this. Evidence, 13.10, evidence of conduct related to planning, development, production, storage, acquisition, availability, or threat of use of weapons, projectiles, materials, or substances which are by their nature indiscriminate or cause superfluous injury or unnecessary suffering to people, or that can cause widespread long-term damage. 13.1 refusal to allow inspections. 13.12 refusal to acknowledge detentions, places of detention to allow International Committee of the Red Cross. There's actually 6 more. 13.13 is issuance of rules of engagement or legislation that allow the disproportionate or indiscriminate use of force or failure to take action. 13.14 increase in the number of any of the attacks or operations mentioned in 13.13. 13.15 is use of methods to warfare that reveal treachery, including taking advantage of symbols or emblems of humanitarian or peacekeeping personnel. 13.16 threats or appropriation, seizures, pillaging, or intentional destruction or damage of civilian objects or properties. 13.17 threats or orders of warfare, including concessions or where there would be no survivors. And then finally 13.18 conduct that threatens the rule of law or any other measure that limit protection of the rights to life and physical integrity afforded by applicable international humanitarian law. So these are the 18 indicators which comprise the 13th risk factor, which is serious threats to those protected under international humanitarian law. Thank you for listening.